what did you guys build today?
We built a computer, more specifically an awesome budget gaming PC for PCBros.tech featuring a Ryzen 5 4500 6-core 12-thread and a GTX 1660 Super.
Yeah, it's a pretty interesting build because we were just going for like best bang for buck with a really good upgrade path, and that's what that B550 BC will get us. So to name off the other specs, we got that MSI Pro B550, we have a Silicon Power 1TB NVMe SSD, Silicon Power 16 gigs 3200 megahertz, a 600 watt 80 plus bronze Zalman, the Antec NX410 that comes with some ARGB in it. So you got plenty of expansion where you can add more fans, you can add a 240 mil radiator up top or even a 280 in the front to the CPU. But don't forget, this does support even those X3D CPUs. So you could even get like a 5000 X3D in this if you wanted to. But out the gate, this build will just be $800 with that 1-year warranty.
So you can buy this PC and many others at PCBros.tech and use code TOASTYBROS2 and check out to save 2% of your next purchase. We have budget options and high-end options. Will fit whatever you want.
Peace out.